Hello everyone! I'm making Barbie Box with this Amazon shipping box that I'm not using. You will need pink wrapping paper. I got this from Party City. Link will be in description. Some kind of glue for paper. Barbie logo prints. I will explain how to print this from printing shop. I paid less than $1 per print from Staples. So this is pretty much everything that you will need for this project. First, you need to find image from Google, Barbie font and Mattel logo. You can find tons of images from Google. Once you find something you like, save it to your photo. Then go to staples.com and click Simple Print. This link will be in description. And upload Barbie image by clicking My Computer, then Photo Library. Sometimes your photo could not be uploaded. If this happens, try to crop your photo a tiny bit and save it again. This will resolve the problem. Once photos are uploaded, choose letter size and make sure it's fit to paper. Then choose white cardstock for print. Choose delivery method by picking up in store. This way, you don't pay for shipping. Then add to cart and pay. For Mattel logo, do not make the logo big. It should only be 1/4 from letter-sized paper. Once you have prints done, let's cut them. Take out your box, draw lines at 2 inches on the top and 2 sides. Draw 4 inches at the bottom. Mattel logo will be on the top and Barbie logo will be on the bottom. Draw a line about 1 inches from Mattel logo. For Barbie logo, trace lines along the paper. Let's cut out the inner box with X-Acto knife. It's time to cover inside with pink wrapping paper. I sort of measured and cut the wrapping paper, used tape and glue to cover the inside. When inside is covered in pink, close the box and tape it. Now it's time to wrap outside of the box. Wrap the box as if it's a gift. Apply glue on the front of the box for lightly secure the wrapping paper. I used credit card to apply liquid glue. Once glue is applied, face down and wrap the box. Once you're done wrapping, you need to cut out the wrapping paper on the front of the box using X-Acto knife. Please do not cut tight. You need to leave about 1 inch from the edge. Glue or tape excessive paper to inside. Now it's time to glue the logos. Once it's all dried out, you can use for the photo booth. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe and hit like buttons.